Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about m equal to x plus 2y and n equals to 2x plus y. So because we have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of m with respect to y. So we just have only this one, and that is about number 1. You don't have y, so you got number 0. We have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of n with respect to x. So this one we have number 1. This one you got number 0. So because number 2 and number 2, that means this one is about exact. So we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I select about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of x, we have x squared over number 2. This one we have 2xy. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we simplify 2x for the both sides. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of y, we have y squared over number 2. And now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to 6. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.